guys! My name is Mimi and welcome to my home-based story. So, I have been reading yung mga comments nyo and isa sa mga pinaka-requested and yung iniintay nyo siguro is how to make a cover letter. So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin today. So, cover letter or in Tagalog, actually hindi ko siya alam. Pakipliham. So, wala tayong pagtatakpan, wala din tayong ililihim. But, yeah, if you guys know the Tagalog for cover letter, just put it in the comment section below. Ayan, para ma-share natin sa lahat. But, yeah, cover letter, yun yung pag-uusapan natin today. So, if you guys have seen my past videos, I shared with you yung mga online portals kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply, right? And some of these, like Upwork and yung Online Jobs PH, is if may gusto kang job na pwede mong pag-applyan, pag click mo yung button, makikita mo doon yung form where you can enter your proposal or your cover letter or yung message mo para doon sa hiring manager. Ayan. So, ano ba yung mga dapat na content ng isang cover letter? Most of the jobs that I've seen online, it doesn't have to be elaborate. Hindi kailangan sobrang haba ng cover letter nyo na kwento nyo na yung buhay nyo. So, make sure you keep it, yung kiss, keep it short and simple. So, kung hindi naman talaga sila nagre-require ng cover letter, like, depende kasi yan sa profile nung employer. Some of them, they don't really require. And one thing na kailangan yung isipin is, most of these hiring managers are going through a lot of applications. So, it could be as simple as, hi, I'm interested in your job post. How can I apply? They don't really judge you for that. Pero, sometimes naman, gusto rin nila na it gives them a perspective of you. Kasi yung cover letter, guys, it's something na it should be different for every person. Personal kasi yan. Like me, eto, share ko sa inyo. Like me, when I started, medyo dramatic yung cover letter ko. Kasi, nag-require naman talaga si client na doon sa nakita kong post, submit your resume with a cover letter. So, pinag-effortan ko talaga si cover letter. Nilagay ko doon na, ever since I was a little girl, I've always dreamed of working in an office in front of a computer. And this job post that I saw of yours brings me closer to that long buried dream. Parang ganun. So, di ba, ang drama. Pero yun, guys, nagustuhan niya yung cover letter because it's, I guess, I'm thinking half from his perspective. Sobrang dami nag-apply sa kanya. It's something fresh na hindi pa siguro niya na babasa or hindi niya madalas mabasa. Kasi usually, di ba, pag gagawa tayo ng cover letter, start natin yan na I'm interested to apply for this position, ganyan. So, throw away all those stuff. It's more, parang kasing medyo boring na eh. Ilagay nyo rin yung position nyo dun sa hiring manager. Sobrang dami nag-a-apply sa kanila. So, make your first sentence, start it off with pang-labanan na. Yan. Pang-winner, ganyan. So, there are a couple of ideas that I have that you can use. For example, you can start it off with, say, a quote. Pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung inyong favorite quote. I-relate nyo dun sa pag-a-applyan nyo. Or pwede rin naman na something about yourself. Like, for example, if you're applying for a transcriptionist job, you can start with, Dear hiring manager, I type fast and accurate. That's why I believe and I'm confident that I'm the one that you're looking for this transcriptionist job. So, ayan, pwede rin naman na question, like, have you ever experienced getting no water in a Metro Manila area? So, kaway-kaway dyan sa mga walang tubig. Ayan, so, pwede nyong i-relate. Like, it made me think more of the value of, so, mga start na ganyan, mga pang-universe. Kaya nyo na yan, kasi hindi ko nagdudugtungan. Pwede din naman na yung experience nyo, straight to the point, sabihin nyo na back up with a 5-year experience of being a virtual assistant, I believe that I'm the one that you're looking for. So, pwedeng ganyan, pwede din naman na pa-joke. So, just make sure, guys, that the first sentence packs a bang, kumbaga yung sinasabi nga nila. Other content that you can include, of course, is kung ano yung position na applyan nyo. So, parang hindi, walang lito-lito. So, yun lang naman. Make sure you make a good intro and ilagay nyo na din dun, guys, kung bakit kayo yung dapat nilang i-hire for that job post among all the other applications that they will have or they have. So, keep it short and simple. These people does not have all the time to read a novela. And then before you submit it, check it for errors like spacing and grammatical errors or yung mga misspelled words. So, ayan lang naman, guys. Just make sure it's something that is, again, personal to you. Hindi yung mukhang kinopy-paste nyo lang somewhere. Keep it interesting but simple. Ayun lang naman, I guess that would be the key tip that I can give you guys for cover letter. I really don't want to extend too much, or if I were you, I wouldn't expend too much time on it. You know, have your friend or someone like your husband or someone you live with read it and check with them, like, to see their honest reaction. So I think that's it for now. Watch out for our next video because I will be sharing with you how to prepare your resume. No matter like if you're a fresh graduate or if you're transitioning from the office to home-based work, ano ba yung mga dapat na nandun sa resume nyo, ano ba yung mga dapat na hindi nyo naisali. So, ayan, pag-uusapan natin yan in the upcoming video. So, I hope you guys will subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure to put your comments, questions, or yung mga suggestion nyo pa for our other videos on the boxes below, on the comment section below. So, ayan guys. Thanks again for watching and I will see you again on our next video. Thanks, bye-bye! Mali. Ulit. Portals. So, ano ba? If you guys have visited, wait lang, natawa. Be as simple as, hi, I'm interested in your job. Job post.
If you're interested in working from home, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell button so that you're updated whenever I upload a new video.